This is a 1422 Penn in Scranton, the back house. You have one spot for a car off street and one on street parking. A little side yard and a little backyard. It's the first floor apartment. It's handicap accessible and has a ramp as well. I mean, a lift that gets you up here. The second floor has it's occupied right now, but it does have a power lift that goes upstairs, power chair lift. So the steps into the living room. There is electric heating in the house, but there's a gas wall heater, which is super efficient. It heats up most of the place. So you have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms in the back. Washer and dryer being removed from here, and a new stove is being brought here. Here's your laundry room. Electric dryer hookup. Yeah, this would fit, that was in there. The third bedroom is actually a pass-through bedroom to the bathroom. Handicap accessible with the ramps, no steps going in with grab bars. To get the wheelchair underneath the sink, no problem. It's all ceramic tile. Big 6-foot closet. Ceiling fans and the replacement windows and electric baseboard in the rooms for supplemental as needed. Dishwasher, sinks, double basin sink, bedroom with the living room, 4-foot closet, ceiling fan, all laminate flooring, fresh paint. There's the coat closet. And last is the main bedroom. Ceiling fan, 2 6-foot closets, plenty of storage. If you're interested in this property, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com, submit an application. We'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. Little backyard.